Hello, hello everybody. Are we live? Hello. Hello, hello. Are we live? Let me know in the comment section if we're live or not. Hello everybody. Are we live? Yes, I think I am live. I just want to see some confirmation in the comment section. Hello everybody. How are you doing? Yes, I think we are live. Let me know if the signal's okay, if you can hear me. And you're late. Doesn't the volume, not sure if it's enough though. Let's take a look at the volume. We're going to take a look at the Bitcoin price. We're going to take a look at everything here, okay? We're also going to take a look at different altcoins, the Bitcoin dominance. Are we going to have that major alt season as soon as Bitcoin pumps and we see the Bitcoin dominance just go through the roof? All right, and then we need to take a look at some altcoins, okay guys? So let's just take a look here at the Bitcoin dominance. Let me just say hello also here in the comment section to everybody. The Bitcoin dominance is absolutely flying eventually because of BTC pumping so far. So let me just say hello here in the comment section. Let me know if you can hear me, if you can see me, everything's okay. Right, let me just say hello here in the comment section. I think I am live. 66k top says your favorite feeder. Well, maybe yes, maybe not. Yeah, the volume is not great. Okay, it is okay. It is okay on the 5 minute. There is a huge amount of volume on the 5 minute. Look at this candle. Look at this volume on the 5 minute chart. Okay, you can check out Bybit, Coinbase. All right, you can check out all these different exchanges, and they all have a huge amount of volume. You can see Coinbase over here, Bybit. Okay, so it doesn't matter really. 5 minute chart. There's a huge amount of volume. Okay, so let's take a look here at the price of Bitcoin. Now, I want to say hello first to a lot of people. This was actually the target from this ascending triangle that we were taking a look at yesterday. I had a very tight stop loss. I got stopped out, but this was an excellent trade, okay? It looks like that we are meeting that target, as you can see over here. Let me just show you here, this ascending triangle target right over there, just meeting it right over here. So we might get a major pullback. But yeah, basically that was an excellent trade. All-time highs, guys, all-time highs. Jay, look, let's go. How are we doing? Ready for the show, Andy, and we hit 66k. Yeah, just above in 60k. Okay, let me just check out the high here that we've just hit here for on the Femex exchange. It is 66.4k exactly here, all-time high today for BTC. Dump time says Public. Maybe not. Maybe not, but I mean, it is a good. Yesterday, we did not manage to break the all-time high. Now we have broken officially all-time high. Yesterday, we just almost touched all-time high, and today we are breaking the all-time high in the end, guys. Time to celebrate crypto legends. Yes, definitely. Portfolio is doing absolutely amazing right now. This is on the Bitcoin side. Altcoins are not doing great just yet, but altcoins time will come, okay? It will come. I do see us forming a potential kind of bear flag or a bear pennant. All right, we saw some very similar recovery here on the Bitcoin dominance. This was at the very end of 2017. We are at the very end of 2021, so November, it might be a little bit volatile, up and down here on the dominance. I don't see us going above 55% on the BTC dominance. All right, this is a huge market with a lot of speculators. All right, potentially the Bitcoin dominance is going to go to 55%. I don't see it going well above 55%. All right, there might be a huge recovery, and on that recovery, this is when I want to be extremely bullish on altcoins. Okay, you do not want to be bullish on altcoins when the Bitcoin dominance is at the very end of a massive drop. Okay, when you're having a recovery here on the dominance is when you want to become very, very bullish on altcoins, because at some point that Bitcoin dominance will have that drop, and this is where you want to take advantage. Okay, so they're going to be excellent trades here. If you missed out the train on this massive Bitcoin pump, all right, then altcoins will do absolutely fine. We are spotting many altcoins such as Theta. Okay, also we have Avax. All right, Avax is at an insane great opportunity in my opinion. All right, we've been talking about this yesterday, just hovering about here, consolidating above the all-time high that we created here in February. All right, we did have a massive resistance point of touch over here. We are retracing, we are consolidating. It does look like that Avax, and it's a very, very strong project. There's going to be a massive hype on this cryptocurrency blockchain project. So yeah, I think Avax is in a great position. All right, just managing to stay above this major support, which is around about that in between $50 and $60. All right, this is a huge range, as you can see here on Avax, managing to close these nice daily candles above that major resistance. Anyway, let's go through the comment section because it is absolutely great. Bitcoin is making history here, breaking all-time highs. It is official. The bear market that a lot of people were talking about here when we were in around about that 30K levels, even, just a couple of weeks back, all right? A lot of people talking about, still BTC going down to $30,000. We're going to break this major support and enter a bear market in the next coming months. And yeah, guys, we have officially broken all-time highs. There's no such thing as a bear market for BTC anymore. So isn't that absolutely insane? Hello fans and legends, says Wesley, and Mark Dutch here, one of my greatest moderators in the comment section, always giving insane support. Time to celebrate. Yes, it is. Now, Link and 1 inch, please change all my Solana to Link, because I feel Link has more upside potential while Solana has had its time. May I be right? I think Chainlink, I know Chainlink is just below 30% of my portfolio. I'm a strong believer in Chainlink, that we do need the oracles here for the cryptocurrency and worldwide data. So I'm really bullish on Chainlink. I do see Chainlink above $100, okay, before the end of this cycle. Now, you probably won't believe it, because if you take a look at the Chainlink chart, you might think it is absolutely boring. Chainlink is dead. It is not going anywhere. Let me just tell you that Chainlink has been one of the best performers, all right, one of the best performing cryptocurrency. This is the logarithmic chart for Chainlink. Let me just take this out of the way, the VPVR. Look at this. Chainlink is an absolute beast. It just has been a little bit boring, okay, since we had the drop of the all-time high of $53, right? It's been had a massive drop. Look how many times Chainlink has had that drop though, right over here, going sideways, massive drops, massive pump after that. All-time high right over here, dump, sideways action, extremely boring. You might think this is dead. Massive pump, breaking all-time high right over here, which was round about May of 2021, just a few months ago. It is absolutely normal to have a drop and a consolidation. If you think this is going to drop below, okay, the $10 range and do something like this, I think you are totally wrong. We have had the correction. We are in a massive uptrend, and altcoins will have its moment, okay, and it might be the last run before we have that multi-year bear market until we have the halving in 2024, guys. So yeah, make sure to hold on tight. We're going to see excellent opportunities. Let Bitcoin make its run. All right, looking absolutely great. We are over $1,000 above the all-time high, so it's absolutely amazing, guys. We are making history. A lot of people thinking that we were going to break all-time high yesterday. We did have a little bit of rejection. Absolutely insane, guys. Absolutely great. Hello from Marbella. Hello, Isaac. Hello, Graham. Hello, everybody. Hello, Davo. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, we are here, says Wisley. Yes, we are. Pump to the moon, says Mirza. Guys, how are you doing? All-time high, you got it. Right, let me do some cryptos here. I'm going to go quickly through the comment section. I'm already getting a huge amount of comments. We're live, says Sebastian. Great, thank you guys. Loud and clear. Hit the like. Smash up the like button, guys. 428 watching at this moment. Let's take a look at some altcoins. I know everybody wants to take a look at some altcoins, but check this out, guys. It is absolutely insane how we can see Bitcoin breaking all-time highs, going absolutely parabolic. Now, how far can we go? Can we hit that $70,000 before having a retracement? I know, guys, any type of massive crash or dip that we do have, we could go below the last all-time highs. We have seen it before in other cryptocurrencies. It is absolutely natural, especially when you have a massive run without any type of correction. Okay, guys, so be careful if you are trying to long right now. We could see us dropping below all-time high. That would be absolutely natural. It will be fine, and see a little bit of volatility here before we do continue to the upside. All right, so I think it is pretty much confirmed, guys, that we are going to. This is no double top. It is no double top right over here. Double top, I see so many other people talking about, and Twitter also, it could be a double top because this failed over here. A lot of people were talking about this potential descending triangle, but as soon as we broke the descending triangle resistance right over here from these lower highs, I was like, come on, guys, it is inevitable to break all-time highs. And yes, guys, it is absolutely amazing. We're making history right over here with BTC. Absolutely great. Okay, let me take a look here in the comment section because we want to take a look at some altcoins, even though all the attention is on Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin absolutely exploding. We need to take a look at the BTC Dominance also, guys. Very, very important, all right? Bitcoin Dominance is super important. The more the Bitcoin Dominance pumps in the immediate short term, the more bullish I am going to become on altcoins. All right, there is something that I've been looking here and connecting these higher highs right over here on this consolidation. So yeah, Bitcoin Dominance could hit 50% very, very easily in the next coming days. I think that would be the moment to become extremely bullish. I've seen some other ones. I think Carl from the Moon is calling here for a potential double bottom, and if we break that 50% levels, we could go as high as, what is it 60%, almost to 60% here on the Bitcoin Dominance. I don't think we are going to see 60%. We could see 52, 54, and that is when I'm going to be extremely bullish, guys. We need to go heavily into some altcoins, all right? Because you know who comes after Bitcoin. It is Ethereum. It is Bitcoin. Let's take a look at Ethereum before we go through the comment section, because has Ethereum broken the 4K levels? If Bitcoin is popping, yeah, Ethereum might be just about breaking the $4,000 range, guys. Yeah, we got a target here for Ethereum, inverse head and shoulder right over here. We got the target of $4,500 approximately, 4.5K for Ethereum, and we were talking about this massive resistance that Ethereum has got also, guys. Full bull mode on Ethereum, in my opinion, because we have broken the resistance. Today is going to be crucial for Ethereum. I will be placing a massive long position if today, or unless we do go today to the 4.5k levels, then eventually not. But if you want to be more secure, if you want to have confidence on your trade, I think closing a daily candle, right, let me just get this out of the way. Check out Ethereum. Ethereum now is breaking out from this lower high resistance, okay? All-time high resistance from these lower highs. Now, if we do close this daily, I mean, you could potentially trade this. It is looking very, very strong. It is pretty clear that we are going to continue up here for Ethereum. So Ethereum is in a massive trading position right now, just about to get above this last all-time high. This last high over here. right? We are getting above the trend line. It is pretty obvious now that this is just, it is moon time for Ethereum, right? So yeah, absolutely great, guys. It is super exciting, super exciting. I am currently not in any trade here on Ethereum, but yeah, basically it is good for a trade. Ethereum is good for a trade. We are aiming that 4.4, 4.5 K levels for Ethereum. Right, new all-time high. Cheers. Yes, Shubham. Yeah, all-time high. Congrats on BTC all-time high, everyone. Yes, everybody that is holding through this bear market, who has hold or did buy more BTC here when we were running down. It was absolutely insane right over here. Whoever held this, okay, was, very good. I did not sell. I actually sold some right over here. And I did buy back in right around these levels, okay? Because I did see this distribution. We were seeing a lot of people talk about this, and it was very, very possible, this round formation. And I did get some out here at 54 and bought back in between 30 and 35K levels right over here. So that was a very good move, guys. Excellent if you didn't panic sell through this movement, okay? Trying to think that you are going to get cheaper Bitcoin at 30, 25K levels. Congratulations, guys, if you did just buy and hold, which is the best strategy you can do with Bitcoin mid-long term, okay? First question, good theta and VRA entries. Not shorting. Yeah, I'm not shorting. You're live. Let's go. Okay. Yeah, I am not shorting, Doctor. Diavolo, nice entries on Theta and VRA. Yeah, Theta is looking great. We were calling that Theta's looking pretty good. You might be in a small profit, but this is looking very, very bullish, like I said. Okay, Theta making these higher lows right over there. We got basically we're making lower lows, we're starting to make higher lows. We do have a kind of a descending wedge formation over here, guys. This is confirming that we are going to continue this cryptocurrency bull run. Look at these altcoins. There are some altcoins that are at the very low position, and Theta, one of the best cryptocurrency projects out there, is just, it will come back up to its all-time high, guys. You like it or not at some point. So using a little bit of low leverage here on Theta, 4x, 5x, 6x, low leverage and, risking some position. It is very, very unlikely that Theta is going to go below the $4 for at this point. We are technically here on the 4 hourly and on the daily, creating a higher low, getting supported very, very nicely. Get ready for some potential movements on Theta, okay? Round formation, bears are finishing, and we are officially now continuing this cryptocurrency bull run, guys. So congratulations. Let's take a look at some altcoins. And so Theta is a good entry, in my opinion. Theta is a good entry. Be careful with the high leverage. Don't have, a 25, 30x leverage on altcoins, because we could still see some volatility if BTC has a massive drop, okay? So just stay very, very cautious. So yeah, guys, let me just let me just go here through the comment section, all right, again, and let's take a look at some cryptos, your favorite cryptos. I also want to take a look at VR. All right, let's take a look at is it VRA? VRA, it said good entries on VRA. Let's take a look at VRA, US dollar here. Okay, yeah, I guess the entries on VRA, whoa, VRA is having a little bit of a drop right now. But basically, I think on VRA, we did call for an entry right over here at the all-time high consolidation. So yeah, I think you want to exit here very near at the top, as I mentioned a lot on one of my strategies that I say, you do not know if crypto is going to break all-time high, okay? You do not know if you're going to break all-time high. So if you enter at a retracement, a good spot to start taking some profit is very near the all-time the high, okay, that you have created. So yeah, beautiful bounce here on the support of the all-time high. Okay, And yeah, excellent profits right over here on this run up. Happy BTC all-time high. Yeah, happy BTC all-time high, guys. Bull Boy's back. Hello, congrats everyone, says Robert. Yes, buffering. Hi mate, can you please look into LSS? Yeah, Ethereum is a beast. Yeah, Cryptech. Yeah, make sure to take a look at Ethereum also, guys. Ethereum is gonna be mooning very soon. Very soon, guys. Any type of retracement here is gonna be excellent to get into some potential trades. Okay, so yeah, guys, Ethereum, absolute beast. All right, absolute beast, doing absolutely excellent. Right, let's go. Let's see, 74k target. All right, so we've 74k target here for BTC. Also, very possible that we hit 74k. Is that from this potential cup and handle that I've seen also? All right, it is not the most beautiful, but yeah, Bitcoin is a beast. All right, I have seen some other analysts talking about this potential cup and handle. We have a major resistance here, which is at the $54,000 range. Okay, we got this resistance here, this resistance, this being the cup, and this being the handle. Well, it's a little bit of a too big of a handle here because technically speaking, the handle shouldn't go below the 50% of the cup. So yeah, if we take the low part here to the resistance from the breakout, you know, this was a technical cup and handle. Yeah, about 74k would be the target. I'm not sure if you're referring to this pattern over here being the potential target of BTC. Or what else have we got? We've also got some Fib targets over here. If we take the Fibonacci retracement over here from this drop over here, we do have some Fib targets. If we take the high here to the low, well, this is a much higher target. If we go to the 1.6, okay, this is a Fib target right over here, $86,000 BTC also. If we take the drop from the all-time high to the all-time low right over here in 2021, then yeah, we are breaking all-time high. A potential target for BTC in the coming months is yeah, it's $86,000, which is absolutely amazing. Very likely. Okay, also it looks like that Plan B's prediction is gonna come true. All right, if we have broken the all-time high, October, worst case scenario, closing just above $63,000. I think he's going to tick this one also. Now we're going to see if November is going to come. Okay, well, there's still 10 days left for October. We could have a massive drop. Even though we do massive drop here for BTC, I think the recovery is going to be absolutely great. So yeah, I don't see us going into a bear market right now, right? It doesn't make any sense here. My first all-time high in crypto, says Gareth Brown. Absolutely amazing. Very good. Smash that like, people. Yeah, guys, we got 470 watching at this moment, 144 likes. So if you could smash up that like button, very much appreciated. Watching the Bitcoin price here make all-time highs. Bears are fucked. Yes, bears are effed. Yes, they are. Yes, they are. They have been all the way since we've been pumping right over here. Last couple of weeks I was expecting some more retracements, but we were bullish all the way, guys. We were bullish all the way from this analysis over here, from this descending wedge, target being the $54,000 and reaching all-time high. You know, we didn't know when, but it was the direction. I see this as 1, 2, 3, 5 waves. It is very curious now, because if we take the Fibonacci extension that helps you to find out where the wave could potentially extend to, if you take this as a 1 wave, 2 wave, right over here, we could extend. All right, if it were to be really extensive, we could go to the 1.6, which is the $80,000. That would be the third wave. Third wave is usually much higher than than the first wave. Okay, we already it is already a bigger wave already than the first wave right over here, but the extension could be in between the 100 and the 160% right over here with a Fibonacci extension before correcting. So yeah, guys, it is looking pretty good here for BTC. Absolutely amazing. Very exciting times. Let me go through the comment section. Greets from Dubai, my friend, says JT. Thank you for joining the stream. Do Ethereum. Ethereum is exploding. Ethereum will explode. Ethereum is looking great. Let's take a look at Ethereum right away here. Yeah, expect Ethereum to explode. I will be going long on Ethereum very soon. You can enter now. You can wait for a retracement. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. All the technicals are indicating that it is full bull mode, guys. Full bull mode. The most simple indication here is breaking, resistance over here from the lower highs. We are technically breaking here. We got a pattern also that is indicating bullishness. There was this one descending wedge that met the target over here already. We got this inverse head and shoulder right over here that we were talking about, okay, before we were forming the right shoulder. We had a potential target here for the right shoulder down at $3,200. We did not reach it. We just went a little bit lower. We did break the neckline, bounced beautifully at $3,600 range. Going up, guys. Going up. Full bull mode for Ethereum. We got a 4.5K target. Okay. So yeah, whoever is not making money right now in crypto is because he doesn't want to. Right, it is pretty simple. We got some clear targets here for Ethereum. All-time highs imminent, in my opinion, right now for Ethereum. Absolutely imminent. It might be today, it might be tomorrow. It will be in the next few days. Okay, so yeah, guys. Also, if you want to take advantage of this movement, you got Bybit. You got an insane bonus down below. Okay, insane bonus down below for Bybit. You get up to $3,500 worth of bonus now with the campaign that they've got on. Okay, they've got an insane campaign that they started 2 days ago for newcomers. $3,500 worth of bonus with Bybit. All right, PrimeXBT, my favorite day trading platform. You get 50% added to your deposit by using my link down below. Okay, 50% added to your deposit. It can't get any better than that. And the good thing about PrimeXBT is you got BTC, Ethereum, USDT as collateral, and you can trade 50 different assets. There's a full tutorial down below, guys, so you can check it out. Okay, only for experienced traders. All right, don't risk more than you're willing to lose. You know the deal. Now, Ethereum, yeah, I've done Ethereum. Ethereum is pretty clear, guys. We've got a very clear target. Expect a little bit of volatility. Don't use too much leverage, but we got a 4.5K target for Ethereum. Make sure to take advantage of that movement if you want. All right. Now, don't use too much leverage. You don't use such a tight stop loss. Okay, stop loss, easily could be right below this neckline. But as you can say, trading is very risky. We've got technical targets here for Ethereum. Does it mean, is it going to be 100% that target? No. We're looking at the probabilities. We're looking at patterns, guys. So you take the last decision. You know the deal. Guys, I want to talk about Castor right over here right now. Do you know what Castor is? It's a send crypto instantly and for free. Okay, it's a payment system. Bitcoin Sensors is going to be part of this project. All right, so it is not out yet. So if you want to join this project, if you want news on Castor, make sure to join the email. It is castor.io. All right. And put your email and we'll be informing you when the Castor cryptocurrency token is going to come out and the actual project. It wants to be the best payment system, okay, in cryptocurrency and also, worldwide. So you want to put your email here and we'll inform you. You can follow. You can go on the Telegram here for Castor. So make sure to check it out, guys. It's castor.io. Right. Let's take a look in the comment section. Please smash the like button, everyone, says Azak. Thank you very much. I got incredibly good supporters here in the comment section. 66 again. Yeah, we're just hitting 66K here on Ethereum. Expect some volatility. It is absolutely fine. But yeah, guys, it is official. We have broken all-time high. Yesterday, we were talking about this. This trade also, this ascending triangle, we met the target perfectly here. Perfectly met the target. So watch out, guys. Watch out for a little bit of volatility. Right, ADA Cardano. What's going on with Cardano? Is it bullish? Is it bearish? Let's take a look straight away. Right, zooming in here for Cardano. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Yeah, but Cardano is just going sideways. It is looking a little bit boring. As soon as Cardano breaks the 2.35 cents, you know, very nicely with some very nice price action to the upside. We are breaking the last all-time high that we created in May. We're also breaking above the last lower high here from this descending wedge. The reason why this is not too tradable because the breakout had no volume at all. No volume at all on this breakout. We just fizzled out sideways from this descending wedge. So a confirmation of this trade would be breaking here the $2.35, $2.40, right? So it is pretty simple looking at the price action here for ADA. As soon as we break that level, you could be full bull mode. And the target is pretty simple. Target is all-time high. It is the top of the descending wedge, guys. So looking at the technicals, it is looking okay in the immediate short term. We got lower lows and starting to create higher lows. This is on the 4 hourly. So you could risk a long trade here. Yes, you could if you're not losing too much leverage and you want to try and wait for the wave here to the upside. It is very, very likely, you know, the bears have lost steam here. We'll be breaking finally at some point the $2.35, 40 cents for Cardano, and then have that leg up to the all-time highs. Okay, it is pretty obvious in my opinion, but you know, risk management, don't risk too much, don't risk more than you're willing to lose as always. But there could be some pretty cool profits here on Cardano in the next coming weeks. It's been a very, very slow performer here for several weeks right now. Since the end of September, it's just been going sideways, trading in between $2 and $2.30 here, as you can see. So this is what we got for our Cardano, right? It's pretty obvious what could happen. Wash Bitcoin looking hot, says Manny. Yes. Hey Andy, we are here. How are you doing, Infogram? Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Wesley, yes, exactly, guys. You want to be notified because we have daily TA on Bitcoin, other cryptos. I do live streams, as you can see, to check out your favorite cryptocurrency if I have the chance to read your comment. Okay, so let's take a look at the comment section here straight away. Smash the like button for Andy. Hello from Dubai. Christine, hello. Thank you very much for the insane support. Let's take a look at XRP here for Faisal. XRP. Avax also. What's up, Andy, says Bull Marcus. How are you doing? Today for the Bitcoin price. Yes. Today for the Bitcoin price. Ethereum 4K. Ethereum looking very, very bullish. Yes, Theta. Take a look at Theta already, looking extremely good, all right? Thanks for another stream, legend. Thoughts on Theta? Terry, Theta's looking insanely bullish, all right? If you want to know what is one of the best or one of the top 10 cryptocurrency projects, okay, in my opinion, is Theta. Theta is one of the top 10 crypto projects. Now, you cannot expect much from Theta after having an insanely parabolic run like this, okay? Theta went parabolic, all right, in late 2020, all right, in part of 2021. It just went parabolic, guys. What happens when you go parabolic? You have a massive correction, you go sideways. Guys, you want to take part of this crypto project. It is decentralized live streaming, and decentralized everything is the future, you like it or not, guys. It is the time. Cryptocurrency is here for the people. We do not need the government. We do not need, you know, anybody for decentralization. It is totally free, open network. And Theta, decentralized live streaming, is going to be part of the future, all right? If you do, I mean, this is a great buying point, in my opinion, for Theta. You can clearly see that the drop is finishing, guys. The drop is finishing, and the reason why the drop is finishing is because the lower lows here on the macro. On the daily, we've printed a higher low because we did have a nice pump here. Now it is very, very unlikely that we're going to do this here on theta, and it is more likely that we are going to start pumping in the next coming weeks, guys. So you want to potentially take advantage on theta, right? I'm just looking at the basic technicals here. Higher lows right over there, okay? Sorry, here. It is looking very, very bullish. We did have, you know, this kind of descending wedge formation, and this is a very, very powerful descending wedge going from April all the way till August, guys. This is a over a 3-month, okay, descending wedge. Super, super powerful. This should be getting some steam here in the next coming days. It is very, very likely, okay? Looking at the probabilities, it is highly probable that theta is going to start booming from this point, all right? And because it's an excellent project, guys, if we're talking about Dogecoin, or if we're talking about, you know, Rocket or something like that, one of these crazy cryptos, then I would say, you know, I don't know if this is going to go dump, pump, or I don't know what it's going to do. But Theta being one of the top 10 projects, crypto altcoin projects, in my opinion, it's going to do very, very well. I remember seeing Theta when it was at 15 cents, and I did not buy any Theta at all because I was too busy buying Chainlink at $1.50 and also VeChain at a fraction of a penny. So you can't get into all of them, but I did know that this is a very, very good project. Avax, let's take a look at Avax for Danny. I've taken a look at Avax at the beginning. I'm just going to take a quick look and just to give you my opinion on Avax. It is at an excellent buy zone. Like I said yesterday, $57 is an excellent buy zone where we were at yesterday. The reason why, take a look at the daily chart, all right? And this is not financial advice. This is just my opinion looking at the charts. It is pretty obvious that we are going to get a bounce, in my opinion, right over here. Okay, it is quite obvious. We had a massive run over here, decent volume going down in the correction, massive pump again, breaking the last all-time highs, then consolidating here with the volume absolutely disappearing. And when the volume goes down, while the trend goes down, and you are coming from an uptrend, it is likely that you're going to get a massive bounce here, guys. All right, so yeah, I could be wrong. We could drop from here, but looking at the probabilities, it is highly probable that this is going to go through this direction. And Avax is an insanely bullish project, also blockchain project. Avax can be traded on Bybit, guys. If you want to take advantage, you know the deal. You got the best bonus down below, $3,500 to claim as bonus depending on what you deposit. For experienced traders, guys, if you do not have any idea of trading and you want to learn, I've got full tutorials down below. All right, be responsible when you're trading. A lot of people lose money, okay? This you need to be clear on this. Don't over leverage, don't get overexcited. Okay, I see a lot of people posting on YouTube and insane gains and, you know, high leverage. Be careful, guys, with all of this because you can get wrecked very, very easily. Let's take a look at XRP. Did I take a look at XRP today? I think I did not. Too excited with Bitcoin, right? Too excited with Bitcoin. Guys, we do have a huge amount of volume. There is a huge amount of volume. All right, so whoever says that there's no volume, not enough volume, there is, okay? You can check out any exchanges, Coinbase, Binance, Bybit. There is volume in this pump, all right? So XRP, almost forgot. Let's take a look at XRP straight away. XRP, yeah, XRP looking very bullish, guys. Nothing has changed on XRP. We were talking about XRP here. All right, XRP, yeah, descending wedge right over here. This is the 4-hourly chart. Okay, we have a nice monthly descending wedge breakout, and a lot of the times on descending wedges you do form a kind of inverse head and shoulder, right? Because you have inside of the wedge, you potentially create this, you have the head right over there, and you have a small right shoulder here connected with these lower highs. Check out this massive breakout with this nice volume. Where do you trade this? You can, you can trade the breakout, but as a conservative target, I would trade the retracement, the retest of the neckline. And we also know that the $1.05, $1 range $1 area is very, very powerful. It's very, very strong as support and resistance. Very most likely scenario is that XRP is going to shine here in the next coming days. Very, very likely. Where would I put my stop loss here on XRP? I would put my stop loss below the right shoulder, right over there. Where would this be? It would be around about that 96, 97 cents. Okay, around about this area. You know, we did have a little bit of volatility here, testing the neckline. It is fine. With just a quick 4-hourly wick down. Okay, it looks like we are forming kind of a small double bottom right over here. Very, very likely that this will continue up. Okay, we do have a technical target from a descending wedge, which is the top of the wedge at $1.35 approximately. We also have the $1.30 target here from this inverse head and shoulder. You get the head to the neckline from the breakout. We do have about a $1.30 target here for XRP. Okay. So yeah, this is what we got for XRP, looking very, very bullish unless we break, okay, the $1.05 very, very strongly here with volume. Then this is going to be a heavy resistance where we might get a rejection and continue to the downside. I don't see that happening. I see this scenario happening more than this one. Okay, more probabilities of going up from here than down, guys. We've got a very, very strong support below us, which is around about the $1.05 for XRP. Full moon and BTC doing all-time high. You got it. You got it. BTC all-time high. Beautiful. It is beautiful to see this. Portfolio is absolutely exploding. I bet your portfolios are doing absolutely great. Your crypto portfolios, if you hold mostly, you know, it is highly recommended that you should have a high percentage in your portfolio of BTC. So yeah. Right, let's take a look here. Smash the like button, says Christine. Thank you very much for the support. Greetings from Dubai, buddy. Thank you, JT. Andy, hello from Italia. Says Jackie Wood, hello. Huge moves, yes. Going absolutely insane, guys. We want to take advantage of some potential altcoin explosions that could come in the net. Well, if BTC continues up, and even though the Bitcoin dominance goes up, we're going to have fresh money coming in, right? Also, I think there's going to be a lot of money. There's going to be a lot of hype. Also, Bitcoin all-time highs on the headlines tomorrow. So there will be a hype, and you know, a lot of altcoins. We're going to have fresh money coming into cryptocurrency. Let's take a look at the total crypto market cap, okay? Let's take a look at both of them. The one that includes Bitcoin and the one that excludes Bitcoin, right? Let's take a look at the one that includes Bitcoin. We have officially, well, we did have an all-time high also. Wow, absolutely exploding here. We got, you know, we got fresh money coming in. This is pretty simple. Fresh money coming in, the total crypto market capitalization. Total fresh money coming into crypto. Fresh money coming into crypto, guys. We have a massive cup in handle here on the total crypto market capitalization. Massive cup in handle. This is, I like this one more. It is absolutely beautiful, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Boom, boom, boom. Broke resistance. Now we're breaking the resistance, confirming, guys, it is inevitable that in the next coming months we are going to go ballistic here in the total crypto market capitalization, guys. We already seen the signs. Look at this. Just today in 4 hours, we've gone from 2.54 to 2.63. So there is 10 billion, okay? 10 billion. No, sorry, it's more than that actually. 100 billion, all right? Poured in just in the last 4 hours. 100 billion, all right, in market capitalization poured in dollars, all right, poured into Bitcoin, into the total crypto market cap. I'm getting confused now with all these charts. Let's take a look at the total crypto market cap, exclude Bitcoin, because this one maybe is not popping. It maybe is, maybe not. But if it's popping, we were talking about this. Hang on a second, guys. We were talking about also cup and handle. Not yet, guys. Look at this. This is the total crypto market capitalization. Exclude Bitcoin. Bitcoin is not in this. This is all the altcoins. All the altcoins right over here. Also forming a beautiful cup and handle. This is a trend continuation pattern right over there. Cup and handle. We are just about to break resistance very, very soon, which is at the $1.41 trillion. We're currently at $1.38.3 trillion, having a massive pump today. So we do have fresh money coming into the altcoins also. So even though the Bitcoin dominance does go up, and Bitcoin does go up, and we do have this, all right, we had, what is it? We went from 1.34 trillion to 1.38. So $40 billion, okay, in you know, inside of altcoins in the last 4 hours. 40 billion just fresh money coming in. So, or USDT, who knows? But anyway, it is new money coming in. So it doesn't matter if the Bitcoin dominance goes up and Bitcoin goes up, if we see the total crypto market cap exclude Bitcoin having a nice pump here in billions of dollars. So this is why also the altcoins are going to do pretty well. Now, as soon as, and this is going to happen, guys, at this point, it is inevitable when Bitcoin breaks all-time highs, we see a massive cup over here, the handle. We're going to break this resistance. And now we are retesting the third time. It is inevitable, guys. Double top seems like it's failed over here. Double top has failed. We are retesting for the third, you know, three top, you know, double top, third top. Yeah, it is very unlikely, guys, when you retest it for the third time. This is why this cup and handle is a very, very famous bullish pattern. It is inevitable. We'll be breaking this, and our target for this cup and handle on the total crypto market cap, exclude Bitcoin, is round about the 2.2 trillion, just below 2.2 trillion. It is not a double, but it is almost a double at this point. And this could happen pretty fast, guys. It might take a month. It might take 3 or 4 months. It doesn't matter. The overall direction is to the upside. So, guys, if you're in crypto, next coming months is going to be insane. $67,000 BTC almost now, guys. 66.6. Going absolutely bananas right now. Absolutely bananas. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum absolutely exploding. Litecoin, should I buy now? Says Sharad. Well, you're buying at the very, very top. If you're buying on spot and you're holding, then it is very, very likely that BTC is going to do very well in the next coming months. All right, it is very, very likely. Altcoins also, we're getting above a major resistance now here on Litecoin, on Ethereum. Sorry. Yeah, Ethereum. Yeah, Ethereum 4.4K. I think we're going to place a trade here on Ethereum, guys, on PrimeXBT. I mean, I was going to trade it after the stream, but it might just go to the 4.4K levels very, very quick. Okay, so I'm just going to put a low leverage trade here on PrimeXBT. Remember, on PrimeXBT, you got down below, you got 50% added to your deposit. Okay, guys, make sure to take advantage of that. All right, so I'm just here, buy order, check out here. We got a take profit target of $4,400 approximately, and I think this is pretty reasonable for a trade here on Ethereum. Right. Right, so guys, remember on PrimeXBT you got an insane bonus down below, okay? You got a great bonus on PrimeXBT for, a great bonus for PrimeXBT down below, guys. All-time high, we got Carl from the Moon in the comment section. How are you doing, Carl? Great supporter from the channel, always. Any good alts to rotate BTC into? Very good question. I mean, I would say I'm a strong believer in Theta. VeChain is also good, but I'm not sure if VeChain has you know that upside potential of hitting $1.50. It is already a 5x, almost a 5x from its current price, so that is pretty good. But yeah, what are the cryptos? What are the cryptos? Right, what other good cryptos have we got? VeChain, we've got Theta Network, we've got what else to flip BTC into some altcoins. Ethereum eventually. Ethereum, I see people predicting that Ethereum will be hitting 20k. I'm not sure if this is pretty much realistic, but a realistic price target is in between 8 and 10k for Ethereum, and that is a 2x from here. But anyway, if BTC is going to reach that $120,000, it is also 2x from here. So switching from Bitcoin and Ethereum, I think Ethereum does have a little bit of more higher potential. So yeah, I mean, other altcoins, I would say, yeah, Polkadot, very good high potential also on Polkadot. Right, I got, you know, it is, I think Ethereum can go pretty parabolic here. A position will go in negative for a while. Potentially, I'm getting into the pump, but we know the upside potential here on Ethereum. It is pretty clear. We might have that retracement. So if you enter on Ethereum right now, prepare yourself to be in negative for a while. Okay. You could, your position could go in negative for a little bit if you enter right now, if we do have that retracement. But the overall target is around about that 4.4k, okay? It is the technical target. We're looking at the probabilities here. So, yeah. Who knows if we're not going to have that retracement. Right, okay. Altcoins, like I said, Chainlink is one of my favorite altcoins. We've got Theta Network, also one of my favorite ones. I think they're very good. They're going to do very well in the next coming months, all right? So, yeah, there you got it. XRP, yeah, XRP. I'm not a big fan of XRP, but XRP, in my opinion, will eventually break all-time highs at some point. So XRP might be a good one. Also, they have a huge army, a lot of strong believers on XRP. I think that they're going to do well anyway. Also, with their issues with the SEC. Let's take a look at DOT. Let's take a look at Polkadot straight away. Polkadot. Right, let me take a look at Polkadot, and then I'm going to take a look at super chats, all right? Because I got a few super chats here in the comment section. So, yeah, straight away, I'm going to take a look at Polkadot. Polkadot is pretty obvious. I think Polkadot is doing absolutely insane. Where would be the Polkadot target? Well, guys, we were talking about Polkadot, some major support and resistance areas. Let's go to the 4 hourly on Polkadot. Polkadot had an insane breakout right over here. Check out where we were bouncing. We were bouncing at this major support level. Okay, breaking it out here with a massive amount of volume. Absolutely insane here for Polkadot. The reason why I've got this orange box here is because it was a heavy resistance zone in the past. We broke it. We bounced here once also. We made a double top. As soon as we made a double top, I'm not sure if you can see this, guys, because I want to zoom in and I want to show you how important this level was here in the past. Zooming in here for Polkadot. As you can see, bounced several times here at this resistance. As soon as we broke it, boom, bounced. Great entry, great exit point. Double top, breakdown, meeting the target of the double top right over there. So that is definitely a major level. This is the $40 range, and look what happened right over here. We had a very nice breakout with the 4 hourly, with volume backing us out. Boom, bouncing. I think Polkadot is basically making a kind of a bull flag or something like that. Something similar, right? You could arguably discuss that, you know, yeah, it is breaking resistance at this moment. So if the price action would have made this, it would have been clearly like a bull flag right over there. You could say it's been a bull pennant. Yeah, it's just easy enough just to say it's a bull pennant. We are breaking out from the resistance here of these lower highs. So yeah, expect expect Polkadot to have an excellent run to the upside. I think we'll be retesting about $47, $48 in the next coming days. Okay, let me take a look at the super chat, guys. Super important, great work. Thoughts on DOT? Well, thank you very much, Marlboro Smooth. We just taken a look at DOT. All right, DOT is looking very, very bullish. If you want to be a conservative here, I think, you know, taking the back here of this symmetrical triangle from the breakout, it is pretty obvious that we could reach around about that $46 if you are a conservative trader. All right, but I think this is a massive bull pennant. If we go to the 4 hourly, it is pretty clear for me. Another better target, if you take this as a whole impulse up to the pennant, this is a projected target also. $50 Polkadot is kind of inevitable, right? All-time highs for Polkadot is inevitable at this point also. Looking very, very bullish. So if you are trading this, if you are using leverage, be careful. Expect some volatility, but the overall direction is going up here. We've got a volume here to back it up, guys. We're just consolidating, and we are officially breaking the resistance from this pennant, okay? From this symmetrical triangle, if you wish. If you want to get it better here on Polkadot, we go to the 1 hourly. Yeah, it's pretty clear, all right? Look at this beautiful pennant or symmetrical triangle breakout right over here. We are seeing some volume kicking in, not a huge amount, but the overall trend is bullish. So yeah, guys, Polkadot, full game on for Polkadot. 46 first target would be the target from the projected move of this symmetrical triangle, and $50, round about that $50 range, would be the second target, being the pull of this pennant. So this is what we got. Thank you very much for the super chat. We have Diddy, thank you very much for the super chat. Do you ever use trailing stop loss orders, and when? Well, I don't usually use trailing stop orders, okay? Not usually, because I just don't use them. I like to place my stops, and you know, I'll protect my position at break even, and then I'll probably take 25% off my trade of my profit, or 50%. I do it manually mainly. I don't mind if I'm in a swing trade, leave the position open, okay? But trailing stop loss, I heard it's very, very good for people to use. You know, basically, when you would use trailing stop loss, you know, I've learned a few strategies on using trailing stop loss. As soon, you know, every single time, you know, if you enter a trade at some point here from a breakout of a flag or whatever, from over here, from this descending correction right over there, as soon as you break resistance, a good way to, you know, if you enter at the breakout right over here, as soon as you start breaking the highs every single time, then you usually put your stop loss at the last lower high, right? But in this case, you would have hit your stop loss would have been hit. Okay, the way I've learned how to put your stop loss, trailing stop loss, is always below the last lower high. But in this case, you know, if you entered here, you break the all-time high over here, then you retrace, and then you break the last high over here, then your trailing stop loss moves straight over here. Then it would have got triggered right at this correction. So this is why I have used it sometimes, but I haven't been successful using trailing stop loss, because you do usually lose out on many gains a lot of the times. It is, especially in crypto, because it's so volatile. You know, if you're using a trailing stop loss, it has to be very, very far away from the price action, because if not, it just you might have a massive wick, and you'll get triggered and lose on a lot of gains. Thank you very much, Diddy, for that super chat. Very much appreciated. Terry says, Theta, $100 potential long term. Thoughts on FTM? Theta, very much. I would be more conservative on Theta. I would say $50 is a more conservative target here for Theta. I think $50 is very realistic for the end of the bull run, which is almost a 10x from its point. It is about an 9x from where we're currently at for Theta. $100. I do see $100 in the future for Theta. Decentralized live stream, guys. It is, it is the future. of streaming. That is for sure. Right, let's take a look at FTM. Thoughts on FTM? We did analyze FTM, and we can take a look at FTM right now. And basically FTM, we did have a very good call here on FTM on this retracement, okay, because we have an excellent run here with some decent volume. We had a retracement here on FTM. Volume was going down. We had this major resistance over here from the last all-time high that we created back in September, turning into support. It turned out beautiful, guys. This was an excellent trade. So you enter there, you exit right over here at the top, because you do not know if you're going to break it, right? You always exit at a double top, because if you enter here and then you think, okay, we're going to break all-time highs because I'm extremely bullish and I'm a moon boy, and then suddenly you have a double top right over there, and then you go to the other direction, so all of your gains there have been lost. So this is always important. With one of my strategies, it's always good to exit at a double top, because you do not know if you're going to break it. You enter here at this consolidation, back testing here, testing the resistance and support. Excellent run up. Now we are looking for this same scenario here on Phantom. Looking at the volume and price action, if we successfully break all-time high here for Phantom, we've got a resistance that should be turning into support. And the good thing, the more times you retest it as a resistance, the stronger it is going to turn into support as soon as you come back and retest it. So first attempt here on a retest is excellent for a trade, in my opinion. Another good thing you need to watch out is the volume, because if you break out with hardly any volume, stay cautious. It could be easily a fake out, but a lot of bullishness. I think the bull run is going to continue for the next coming months. So I think a successful breakout here for Phantom is very, very likely. If we have high volume on this breakout, and then on the retracement we have very, very low volume, it is a clear buying signal for Phantom. Check out volume and price action, but we are looking for something similar to what happens here. This is the most basic and effective trading analysis strategies. Bounce, trend is your friend. Bounce in between support and resistance. I do not like breakout trading. I have got stopped out so much on breakout trading. I actually got stopped out yesterday. 3 or 4% of my trades I'll break out just to get in a trade, and we have a lot of fake outs, a lot of volatility. I just like to come back down, look at the volume. If it comes down, retest support, and we're off to the races. The same thing that just happened here, and this was just a few days ago. That was an excellent trade. We were taking a look at this here for Phantom. So yeah, whoever got into that trade, congratulations. Thank you very much for the super chat, Terry. Very much appreciated. Right, what's going on with BTC? Are we going to have finally that massive retracement? Are we having an insane retracement? Wow, we are going parabolic, guys. We are just about to hit $67,000. Will we hit $70,000 today, guys? Let me know in the comment section. Are we going to hit $70,000 today, guys? Probably not. We might. We know that BTC can make an 8,000 to 10,000 move in a matter of 4 hours. What do you think about Saitama Inu and Hokkaido Inu, says Hector. Right. Thank you very much for the $5. Thank you very much. Very much appreciated. But what do I think about Saitama Inu and Hokkaido Inu? I think it is the same feelings that I have for Shiba Inu. And Shiba Inu does have an excellent, it does have a team, it does have programmers behind it, does have a swap. So it seems like Shiba Inu, this meme coin, is going pretty serious. But I don't see a really big future for Shiba Inu. And obviously all of these Inu coins, I don't think they have a future. They might have a massive hype. You can do a 10x in a matter of hours. Very possible, but let's take a look at Saitama Inu. Saitama Inu. Yes, I think it's just a meme coin, I guess. Thank you very much for the super chat. But yeah, 40% up today. I mean, yeah, the gains you can make on meme coins are insane. But if you go and buy at the top, you know, your losses can be insane also. And are you gonna hold that bag for the next few months or years? A great buy here would have been at the very, very beginning, guys. Be careful with these meme coins. Saitama Inu. You just need to take a look at the website. I haven't heard about this one. Fostering the future of finance. Yeah, well, I mean, who knows? If you do the research, check out the team, check out what it does, read the roadmap, and who knows? It might be an excellent, legit project. All right. Yeah, you need to take a look at the team, their experience, who they are, do deep research, Telegram, many questions, look at the tokenomics. Is it decentralized? What blockchain does it run on? It runs on the Ethereum blockchain. Yeah, this is, I mean, it's pretty obvious here for a research, but Saitama is a community managed and promoted token with a percentage of every transaction redistributed between holders, and the burn wallet decreasing supply and increasing holders token. I mean, it is it's another coin. It is another coin, basically. And, you know, it's going to be burning. There'll be less supply and, you know. Anyway, what about the other one? Hokkaido Inu. Thank you very much for the super chat. Very much appreciated. But, yeah, I think they're just meme coins. You might make excellent gains. This one's down 25%, you know. Is it just having a correction? Are we going to have a massive pump? This one had a hype back in May. If we look at the last 30 days here for this crypto, it's had an excellent run here for the last few weeks. Just having a deep correction right now. Yeah, I mean, this is the thing. You need to go check out what it does. Check out the team. We're not doing a full review on this. But be careful with these meme coins, altcoins. They might have an excellent team, a great roadmap and tokenomics. Thank you very much for the super chat. XLM is a great one to hodl. Yes, it is, says Mark Dutch. It is. I think XLM will have a lot of success in the future. Andy, look at BTC. BTC absolutely exploding. Wow, 67K, guys. Oh my. It is doing absolutely insane. Ethereum, guys. Ethereum is the one, guys. If you haven't traded this already, you want to jump in on Ethereum. You want to, I mean, well, I'm not going to tell you what to do, but there's not financial advice eventually. But Bitcoin has broken all-time highs. It is reaching those levels now. Ethereum hasn't reached that all-time high yet at almost 4.4k. We have a target here from inverse head and shoulder. We are breaking major resistance. How far away can Bitcoin go? How far can Bitcoin go here? All-time high being break, parabolic move. Wow, guys. Wow, absolutely wow. We do not know that we have a target for Bitcoin. We've got this kind of cup in handle. It's not. I don't like it very much. I like the cup. I like the resistance being at the very, very top. But you could arguably discuss that the target is around about that 75k here on this cup and handle. So yeah. All-time highs, going absolutely ballistic, guys. If you want to take advantage, remember, Bybit, you get the best bonus available, which is 3.5k, okay, worth of bonus. You got $3,500 worth of bonus, depending on what you deposit. For experienced traders, guys, don't hype in. There's going to be a lot of people FOMOing in on Bitcoin, Ethereum. Risk management, guys. Don't bet the farm on all of this because we could see lot of big volatility. There's over leveraging right now going on. So don't risk more than you're willing to lose. PrimeXBT, you get 50% added to your deposit, okay, by using my link in the description. Also, if you want to take advantage of this, you have the link down below, guys. Excellent opportunity for trading. Any type of retracement on Ethereum, in my opinion, is going to be excellent. It's going to be excellent, guys, because We are clearly breaking out major resistance. Ethereum is in my opinion, safest bet right now. Okay, anything can happen. We could have a massive drop, a massive, black swan event, saying ETFs not getting approved in the next few years. In the end, we did have the futures ETF, which is not backed up by physical Bitcoin. It is not backed up by physical Bitcoin, but we did see Grayscale. It is pushing now for that spot ETF, and that is going to drive the price of BTC to the moon, guys. Who knows? 200k. It might be very, very real, guys. Very, very real. If that ETF gets approved in the next coming months, which is the real one, we want the spot ETF, with the one that is backed up by real Bitcoin, not a futures, because futures is future price. It is a promise, right, of the Bitcoin price. We want a physically backed ETF. And Grayscale has officially filled the form for it. Right, can you look at SNX USD, please, says JK. Yeah, of course. Andy, please check Phantom. Thanks. I've checked out the Phantom already. Thank you very much. Guys, thank you very much for the super chat. Very much appreciated. Guys, I need you to do one thing right now, okay? One thing to do, and that is to scroll down. All right, scroll down and smash up that like button. Very much appreciated, guys. I'll be super, super happy if you do this. Really, really happy if you do this, guys. I do this free, okay? Totally free. I do live streams a lot. I need you to support the channel a lot, okay? So I want you to wait 2 seconds, scroll down and smash up that like button. It'll be very much appreciated. Thank you, guys. Right, I'm going to take a look at what crypto, it's hard to, what crypto was I going to take a look at? I've taken a look at Link already. I'm taking a look at Link. What else? What other crypto we're going to take a look at? SNX. Okay, yeah, I remember. I do hold some SNX in my portfolio, actually. It is around about 3%. I will confirm right now. My Ledger Nano portfolio, I do hold around about 3%. No, it's not even that. It's less than 2%. As you can see here, I have a portfolio on my Ledger. This is not all of my crypto, but Synthetics Network, I have a small percentage. It is, 1.78%. I do have some exposure to SNX. I don't have more than 10 cryptos, guys, and one of them is an SNX. I think there will be better derivatives crypto projects than SNX, but for the moment I got this one. Let's take a look at SNX US dollar here straight away to see what is going on. Right, it's looking pretty boring. Pretty boring. We do have a major support breakout here that we had a fake out. We are starting to see some volume coming in here on SNX. Now, let me just zoom out here on the daily and analyze the situation. Let's analyze the situation here on the daily. Right, what can we see? We do clearly see that there is a strong resistance around about that $14 range, okay, that we did not manage to break successfully. As soon as we break this level, going above $15, $16, it is going to be looking very bullish here for SNX. Now, yeah, if we zoom in here on SNX, what can we expect? Very hard for charting this one. We've suddenly seen a huge amount of volume coming in on SNX. Is this getting ready for a massive pump? Potentially, yes. For some reason, we do have a strong base right over here on SNX. There is a strong base right over here. If we zoom in, we're getting... This is on the 4 hourly. Okay, just doing some analysis on the 4 hourly. It is a descending triangle or a descending wedge, because technically we are creating lower lows here on the 4 hourly. It is slightly lower low right over there. So you could arguably discuss that this is a descending wedge. Okay, if we connect on the 4-hourly chart, which is a pretty powerful chart for these patterns, I think it's pretty clear that we are forming a descending wedge because we are technically creating lower lows right over there. If we break the resistance right over here with the amount of volume that's coming in here on the 4-hourly, I think this one is getting ready for a blast off. First technical target here for SNX would be the $11, $12 as soon as we break the $10 range, I think. Yeah, as soon as we break $10 from these lower highs resistance, it is very, very likely we'll get that leg up here from this descending wedge target. Looking very good for a bullish setup right now. SNX, we are starting to see volume kicking in. We're getting strongly supported at the $9. Looking bullish, looking good for a bullish setup. Okay, I think SNX be traded on? I think not. We have Aave here on on Bybit. We do have Aave, but we do not have synthetics on Bybit. But anyway, that's on Binance. If you want to get a bonus on Binance, you can check the link down below because you do get 10% off discount. Right, guys, how many people were shorting BTC and having stop losses at 65, 66, 67K? There might be a lot of people shorting BTC and they have their stop losses at 70K or 72K. They're just going to get triggered and put that liquidity in. Wow, guys. I do see bearish channels just for entertainment purposes, and it's absolutely insane how people can be so focused on being bearish or so focused on being bull. You know, I was more bullish than bearish eventually. I've never been bearish. I never thought that this was a bear market, but you need to check out the potential scenarios, right? You need to see, you know, the potential bearish scenarios, what levels you need to break, what levels you need to support. And it is pretty clear now, guys. I think the bulls need to, you know, just say, right, okay, bulls win. We've broken all-time highs. This could go absolutely insane. Now, this is when the bears flip bullish, I think. Position opened yesterday. Can it stay open for the future? Of course it can. This is a swing trade. Okay, you could have a swing trade. Yeah, all depending on what exchange you use. Bybit, you know, Femex, PrimeXBT. PrimeXBT is not my favorite to use for swing trading. The fees are slightly higher than Bybit. So if you're going to have that position open for a month, you know, or if your position is really, really good, then yes, okay, it is fine. But you might get a little punch on the fees, but it is also good for swing trading. PrimeXBT is my favorite day trading platform, but for swing trading, I think Bybit would be the best option. But yes, if the question is, you remember, guys, you got the best bonuses down below. The question is, can you have it open for the future? Yes, you can. You just need to be careful with the fees. Theta has 1 billion coins. Yeah, I'm not sure. Let's take a look at the Theta. Yeah, it's 1 billion, I think. Yeah, Theta has 1 billion coins. I'm not sure the circulation. The circulation should be at least 30%. I haven't got. I'm not loading right now here on CoinGecko. Yeah, 1 billion. 1 billion, and 1 billion is also circulating. So this is a good thing. You know, you do not have a lot of the team having loads of tokens. They're all in circulation. So that is really good for a project. SNX, guys, looking good. SNX looking very good here for a setup. As soon as we break and close a 4-hourly above this lower high resistance, it's looking pretty good for SNX. I do see $12 retest in the next few days. Right, let's take a look at some more cryptos here in the comment section. Right, let's take a look at the comment section right over here. Matic, please. Let's take a look at Matic. I think Matic has been pretty good. Matic is one of the favorites also. Yes, I think this is what I got for Matic. Okay, this is the 4-hourly chart. Let's take a look. We had a massive pump that happened on the 15th of October. Massive pump right over here. It is pretty clear, in my opinion, that we are forming a bullish pennant, right? This is a bullish pennant. We're going to have a breakout from this point, and we will continue to the upside. Major resistance zone is the $1.70. It is also the target from this descending wedge. Now, on Matic, it wasn't good on BTC because I was trying to wait for some retracements, and we're almost at $70,000 right now since we broke out from that descending wedge at $43,000. Missed out big time on that, and that would have been an excellent low trade. But this, we have time for altcoins, guys. There are opportunities every single day in the market. There's always opportunities to make money. Don't cry because you missed out on some gains. I've been in the markets now since 2017. It doesn't matter. Our first year, losing a lot of money, missing out, rushing into trades. It doesn't matter, guys. As soon as you have a simple strategy that works and you follow it, it doesn't matter. You have opportunities every single day, guys. And you don't have to trade every day also. It's not necessary. I know a lot of people want financial freedom. I know everything, everybody wants that. But trading is a living. It is a living. There's opportunities every single day. So take your time in learning how to read the charts. Follow very good YouTube channels. Maybe not me. Yeah, I'm only joking. I mean, I want to show you, be super transparent, guys. And on Matic Network, enough talk. Let's take a look at this. We have the descending wedge right over here. We had a breakout, and this is pretty good because we have one wave right over here. We have a correction. We have another wave, and we are having this correction over here. Now, when we break here from a second wave, what levels do you want to look if you have created a one wave and you have broken out from the first wave high? Sorry, guys. Pretty obvious here, guys. Let's do just some very short term here, the month of October, right? Because this is the 4-hourly chart. Check out how we have bounced very, very nicely here from this top. Just doing some very simple analysis, guys. If you want to be successful in scalping or swing trading here, day trading, we have this pump over here with some volume. It is more volume than the rest of the days. So that is a peak. Check out this monster over here with this amount of volume. Check out Matic here, how it consolidates. If you have one buy order, look where you got one wick over there. You got a wick here touching this high over here with this spike of volume. That would have been an excellent trade here on Matic. This happened 3 days ago. This was on the 17th. This happened 3 days ago. I explain this strategy every single day, every single live stream. But it is not all technical analysis. Emotions kick in on traders, and people usually risk more than you're willing to lose. It is just, it is human psychology. It's how we work. We want to be rich today and not in 5 years, right? Who wants to be rich in 5 years? I want to be rich today. Yeah, guys. So basically, not depending on how much you risk, that would have been an excellent entry point. Good stop loss. Behind this candle right over here with this small amount of volume, with this okay volume, or Fibonacci retracement from the low over here to the high, easily stop loss, below the 78% level, which usually is not reached, okay? Because usually when you have a massive pump, if you get the start from the pump, usually when you have a pump like this, if you're going to break down the 78% levels, you're usually going to have that V shape, that come back down. So that would have been an excellent trade right over here. Where do you exit? You exit here at the top of the pump right over there. Excellent profits. Now, analyzing the situation for Matic, we're just consolidating it very likely it is going to be a kind of a bear pennant, a bull pennant, sorry, a bull flag. I'm getting my words here mixed up, sorry. Being realistic, a realistic target here for Matic in the next coming days would be this over here, would be $1.75 approximately. Note that there is going to be a lot of resistance. We have a lot of resistance around this area for Matic. This is why I got this orange box. A lot of resistance, so it's not going to be that easy, but overall direction, it is pretty clear. Check out the volume. We have the target. That is the target also, guys. It is the target over the top of the wedge. So, yeah. Be careful with a little bit of volatility. Overall direction here for Matic is the $1.75. Okay. Looking at the most simple target, it is $1.70. Make sure to take some profits if you do take that trade. It is likely that we might get some type of rejection there because it's heavy resistance. Remember, guys, if Matic is on Bybit, if you want to take advantage of potential moves like this, remember, don't risk more than you're willing to lose. Have very good, proper risk management. You got an insane bonus down below, guys. $3,000 up to $3,500 worth of bonus. Okay, down below. So, yeah, we got ICP. ICP is doing excellent. I got someone, you know, in the comment section of a video, one of ICP. Thank you very much. ICP doing absolutely great. Let's take a look at ICP, guys, because you want to get in a trade at the lowest part possible. Poof, this is looking like it wants to skyrocket, guys. It's looking like it wants to skyrocket. Take a look at ICP over here. We got yeah, guys, check out this. This is looking beautiful, and we got a huge amount of volume today coming in right now. Ooh, this is looking like it's gonna do this. All right, I want to do a Picasso right here on the chart, and this is my Picasso here on this price action on ICP. No, guys, it's not guaranteed that it is going to go to these levels, but we've got this beautiful sharp descending wedge. We got a breakout, we got a retest there at the resistance over here. This is looking very much, if you want to anticipate, I got some people on the in the Telegram group, if you want to join down below, that, you know, ICP, you want to put potentially your stop loss at $38. You know, you're not risking too much. You got this distance. The upside potential on ICP is absolutely insane. I do see ICP making a huge double bottom right over here. We got a target of a potential breakout of the resistance that could take us to the $70. We got the descending wedge target right over here, which is $80. We got two targets already here. Now, this is not a confirmed pattern breakout. We do have the descending wedge pattern breakout. The volume is okay. It is it is higher than the one that we've had, okay, here for the last few days. Now, this doesn't mean that this could roll back down, okay, and do something like this. This is why trading, you know, is risky. We are looking at the probabilities. Everything is indicating that we should retest this resistance at the $55 range in the next coming days. So, yeah, we were calling for ICP here at $42, $43. I'm saying, guys, this is very, very likely that it is going to have a massive pump, okay, and it is possible that we are making a harmonic pattern right over here. Also, we're not going to talk about harmonics. I will be getting a video on harmonic patterns, okay. There are different ones, all right, and it's very, very likely that this might have a pump all the way up here. I'm not going to take a look at this right now, but it is possible that we may be meeting the D section, or depending on which harmonic pattern, it might be a bat, it might be a crab, I don't know. I'm not going to take a look at this. I will be making a video on harmonic patterns soon. I know I've said it for the last couple of weeks, for a few days. It will be coming out, guys. Harmonic patterns are really, really powerful, and I will give you very good examples on harmonic patterns. If you haven't seen my how-to video, it is down below. Also, I'll show you a few patterns on how to read the chart and very good examples of trading also, guys, so make sure to check that out. Volume kicking in here on ICP, it is looking excellent, and ICP can be traded on Bybit. I think I will be opening a trade myself here on ICP. It can be traded on Bybit, so you know the deal. You get the best bonus down below, guys. Stay very, very cautious. Christine says, hi Andy, just joining in. Very good. Use a VPN to use Bybit, says Peter. This is all, or you decide if you want to do this. Right. XEQ analysis, please. I got someone here in the comment section. Let's take a look at XEQ. What about you? What do you think about the 70k level being a big 11-year resistance curve? Yeah, also I've taken a look at many logarithmic curves, guys. Logarithmic curves are highly manipulated. There's a logarithmic curve that says we're going to hit 500k. So logarithmic curves are very, very manipulated, guys. I wouldn't pay attention too much at some logarithmic curves, because they're very highly manipulated. Okay, if you just go on Bitstamp, there are some logarithmic curves right over here. Let's take a look at the weekly and go to the logarithmic chart. There are some indicators. Let's go here. Is it the logarithmic? I can't remember now what it was called here, the logarithmic curve here. But anyway, a lot of people manipulate the logarithmic curves, because you got curves that do like this, you know, hitting the peaks, something like that. You know, you got other ones that do this. So I think it's just pure speculation, really, when you see the logarithmic curves, in my opinion. So I did see someone saying that 70k could be a potential top by looking at logarithmic, but there's also some other ones that say that the top is going to be 500k. We got also 300k. You also said that people that the $65,000 was the top also. Yeah, guys, I think it is pretty obvious now that there's no such thing as a bear market right now for BTC. The multi-monthly bear market has finished. Right, what cryptos are we going to take a look at now? What cryptos shall we take a look? What are your thoughts on VRA? VRA, I think it's looking pretty bullish on the chart. I did take a look at VRA during the stream. Let's take a look at DYDX, right? Let's take a look at DYDX. DYDX. Let's take a look at DYDX here. Straight away. DYDX not doing excellent. It seems like we lost a very good support, okay, here on DYDX. We were bouncing around this range for a lot. But DYDX has had its own life as well, okay? We were seeing DYDX going absolutely crazy, okay, all the way back here since, you know, the beginning of September, while BTC and other ones were correcting, okay? DYDX has been having its own life. So now, while a lot of the cryptos are pumping, BTC, Ethereum, DYDX, because it did pump already, breaking all-time highs, it's just having a consolidation. It did like a double top right over here. It broke a major support level. It might just consolidate here for a while. It's not looking too great at this moment, you know, at the moment from this video. It's been dropping here pretty heavily for the last few days. I think it just needs to get back up this major support level, this resistance, sorry, which is at the $20 range, $21, sorry. 21.70 range. Okay, we have a high consolidation here as support. As soon as we get above this level, then yeah, it's going to be looking pretty good here for DYDX. A very bullish project. Okay, it's a decentralized exchange. It will be doing well. It's just had a hype. It's just consolidating now. So I wouldn't get bullish on this crypto. The correction could go much lower. I think, yeah, we're basically getting a bounce from this high over here. We haven't reached it yet. We do have a high. with high volume also. So yeah, I think this might be a very good bouncing point where DYDX is going to get a nice run. Okay. Yeah, this is actually a very good trading opportunity to come back up and retest the $21.70. I think they added DYDX here on. Did they add it? I think they added it on Bybit. This is a good crypto that we could potentially trade. Bybit has added so many cryptos for the last couple of weeks. It's insane. They have a huge amount of cryptos. I'll check it out later anyway. Right. Oh yeah, you wanted to have a look at check. Thank you very much. Yeah, I'm just reading through the comments and I got so many altcoins here. Thank you very much, Wesley, for letting me know. Yeah, right. XEQ. I have no idea what this crypto is. Okay, there's no data here on TradingView. Equilibria. It's 771 ranked here on CoinGecko. So it must be about a 10 million market cap, maybe a 20 million. 30 million market capitalization, very low market cap cryptocurrency. Equilibria, I have no idea. It seems like it has its own network, its own blockchain. Does it work with blockchain technology? Yeah, we do not have any data on coin market cap. It's absolutely exploded in October, going from 13-14 cents all the way up to 74 cents. So that has done an over a 4-5x here for the last couple of weeks. I'm not going to go through the project, but we don't have, mainly we're doing technical analysis here on the stream, but it's pretty basic. Just go on CoinGecko, go here and check out the website, the tokenomics, the team. If they have a Telegram group, ask a lot of questions, find out here if there's anybody on YouTube talking about this project. But we're not going to do a project review. Website looks pretty decent. Equilibria Oracle Network. Okay, so it's an Oracle crypto. Join Telegram. Yeah, basically ask a lot of questions here. Check out the team and the tokenomics. Oracles will be doing very well. There will be an Oracle season at some point. So is it here? Is it ranked on the Oracle? So if we go to DeFi here on CoinGecko, you can go to categories here. When you go to DeFi, go to categories, and on the categories section, there should be a. Hold on a second. Gotta wait here for it to load. There is an Oracle section here. It is not loading. It's anyway. My CoinGecko page is not loading, but there is an Oracle section. Check out if it's there. If they've ranked it here on CoinGecko. Ask many questions. Axie Infinity, please. It's written, okay, Bram is written logarithmic curve. Okay, thank you very much, Bram, for that. Thank you very much. Yeah, is it on here? We'll take a look at that later afterwards. I've got so many people here in the comment section. I want to try and read everyone, guys. I do really want to check out all of your cryptos. Wesley here in the comment section, put in the coins that I've checked out today, guys. Check out Wesley in the comment section. He is telling you every single coin that I've been checking out here during the stream. So if you want a lot of them, I'm not going to repeat them. So this is why Wesley is putting it in the comment section. Insane support from Wesley, also from Mark. Right, let's take a look at. I'm taking a look at ADA. Check out the comment here from Wesley. Axie Infinity here for Cosmos Game. Let's take a look at Axie, because I did say that Axie was going to bounce in between that $120. Did it bounce or not? Let's take a look. Oh, just about bouncing. Just about bouncing. I think that this is going to do a double bottom, a kind of a double bottom. Wow, very choppy here on the daily. Let's go back to the 4-hourly better. The reason why we got this support, okay, and this was drawn back here since we were breaking this high. It was pretty clear that this was going to be a strong resistance turning into support. Sorry, so we got high volume here, and this is where we're currently bouncing. That would have been an excellent trade right over there. Could you re-enter here if you missed out on this trade? I would say yes. Axie Infinity is the biggest project, okay, gaming NFT project. So yeah, you can check that out, okay. I mean, sorry, I think we are gonna get a bounce from this level. Risky one, yes. $1.10, $110, $105. Potential stop loss run over here. Could you get wicked out? Maybe yes. I think that's a very, very strong support. We've got volume here to back it out. This is the $120. We just went to $112 approximately right over here. Dipped below around this range, the $120 range. I believe so. Looking at Axie Infinity, we have volume coming in. We're going to create a double bottom right over there. Kind of a double bottom, okay. I think we'll recover here again and start pumping. It is very, very likely. The hype here on Axie Infinity, a lot of people playing Axie Infinity. There's even more people going to come in. This token could go to the $1,000. I'm not going to guarantee anything. To be more realistic, I think $500 is realistic. Note that the gaming industry is so big, it's so large, the NFT gaming industry, that it just can have hype bubbles. It can have massive hype bubbles, and this is what is going to happen to Axie Infinity and to a lot of gaming blockchain projects, because there's only going to be more people coming in, and this is a pretty famous Axie Infinity already, so it's just going to have a huge amount of bubbles. Let's just go to the logarithmic and go to the daily here, just to have some entertainment, all right? And basically, the gaming industry, you're just gonna have more people coming in. So you have a hype, correction, hype, sideways or correction, hype, correction. It is gonna be insane how the hypes are gonna be on these. Looking at the logarithmic, it's absolutely insane. It's super, super strong on Axie Infinity, and it's only been since the late 2020. So anyway, looking at Axie Infinity, enough talk here with stupid predictions. It is looking very, very bullish. Very, very bullish in my opinion. Taking a look at the volume, taking a look at consolidation. The bulls are leading the way right over here on Axie. We got high volume here with this price action. Check out the consolidation, volume going down. Check out the spikes here. Spike in volume. Consolidation, spike in volume right over here. This is ready. This is pretty much ready to have a bump. Is BTC having a massive drop, or is it continuing? Is Ethereum having a massive drop, or is it going to continue? Looking great, guys. I see Ethereum trading at 4.4k levels in a matter of days. Very, very likely. Ethereum breaking strong resistance. Is looking great. Guys, I have a surprise for you. Guys. And the surprise is I don't have any more super chats. I don't think so. Guys, I have a surprise for you, because Natalie from Bitcoin Sensors is live, and you have it in the comment section. She'll be doing the analysis from now on, because I'm just about to leave. Check out Natalie, guys. She is live right now, and the link is in the comment section. Check out Natalie. She is live right now. So yeah, all of these cryptos, ask questions to her, subscribe to her channel, because Natalie is live right now. She'll be analyzing your favorite cryptocurrency. I am going to finish the stream. Don't worry, guys. I'll be doing another live stream tomorrow. Very surely I'll be doing a live stream tomorrow. I'll be doing a quick video update tomorrow. Make sure to join Natalie's live stream. Wesley, also all the coins that I've checked out today, Wesley here in the comment section is giving you the order of when I checked out all of these cryptos, okay? Being the one first BTC, then Avax, then Link, then Ethereum, then Theta. Check out the comment section for those cryptos. If your cryptocurrency, favorite cryptocurrency is in there, check it out, guys. Wesley's putting it in the comment section, and now Natalie is live, okay? I'm just reading here the comment section. Natalie is live, guys. Make sure to join her live stream. I am out of here. The link is in the comment section for Natalie. Ask her questions. She'll be analyzing the chart for you, giving you potential price predictions, what could happen, fib levels. She does like using the Fibonacci. She's a Fibonacci expert. Natalie, check her out, guys. Ask her a lot of questions. Thank you, Andy, and take care, says Joseph. Thank you for my moderators giving me insane support here from my moderators. All right. Okay. Bitcoin dominance. When can the Bitcoin dominance drop? Okay. Let's just take a look at the Bitcoin dominance. You want to get into altcoins, guys, when Bitcoin dominance is pumping. So yeah, basically a rough prediction here on the Bitcoin dominance. Connecting the highs here. We could have kind of an ascending broadening wedge slightly here. So in the next coming days, Bitcoin dominance could go up to 51%. It could happen. It could happen. I do see us failing at around about 51%. Check out what happened here. This was the summer of 2017. Drop. Ascending broadening wedge during September, October, even part of November, and then massive drop on the dominance. Something similar could happen right over here, guys. Altcoins will shine in the next coming months. It is Bitcoin season right now. It might happen for a few weeks, but if we have fresh money coming in, crypto, it'll be fine. Altcoins will be doing well also. So yeah, expect the dominance here going to 50 and even slightly above. If we break this resistance, we could have a little bit of a pumpy action. But I do see at some point the dominance dropping. Okay, I do not know when, guys. I haven't got a crystal ball. It is just looking at the charts, looking at past data. Okay, the probabilities. I do see it dropping in the coming months. Thank you, guys. Insane support from my moderators. Check out Natalie. She is live right now. I'll be leaving straight away. The link is in the comment section for Natalie. Thank you, Mark, Dutch. Thank you, Wesley. Thank you, my moderators. Absolutely insane support from you guys. Insane support from the community. Make sure to smash up the like button on your way out. Thank you. And I'll see you in the next one. All the socials for Bitcoin Sensors to check out technical analysis, the latest news also is down below, guys. Totally free information. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.